Welcome back to Top Moments TV today. Get ready because we are taking you on some intense moments and tech adventures that are not for the faint of heart. Dangerous situations await just ahead. Fasten your seatbelts and jump in. Oh my god, the excavator was worked wrong and had an accident. Monster truck magic steering wheel. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of a monster truck, where every turn of the steering wheel not only controls the machinery but makes you feel as if you are conquering the world. This magic steering wheel is not just a control tool but also the heart of the vehicle, helping you navigate through rough terrain, climb steep slopes and face articulated bulk car for realistic road travel. Imagine how powerful it would be if it could move a passenger car with ease. The view is impressive, the power, precision and scale of this giant road makes it hard to look away. Have you ever wondered, would you like to do that? The two-bridge wooden tractor is a bold image of labor, showing the diligence and bravery of the forest workers. On hard, rocky roads, gravel, the small but powerful tractor, with two strong bridges, gradually conquers difficult roads. A two-wheel drive tractor roared, struggled to pull a heavy cart of firewood, trying to overcome the challenging steep slope. The roar of the engine mixed with the sound of the wheels grinding on the muddy ground, creating a scene that was both thrilling and powerful. The speedboats glide through the calm waters of Tokyo Bay. Like a strong wind, the roar of the engines shakes the air. The white foam of the water reflects the sunlight and shines. The feeling of speed is like riding the wind, with the buildings of the city by the bay in the background. Its majestic, yet beautiful appearance makes you think of an adventure in the near future. ZIL-131 legendary 6x6 off-road truck with V8 engine, providing superior power on all terrains. The 2022 version retains the spirit of sustainability, strength, ready to serve the steepest roads. With a 6-wheel drive system, the car is not only a symbol of certainty but also a passion of off-road enthusiasts.
There it goes.
Yes, move.
Wow. That was
Heart-stopping near collision. Amtrak train nearly collides with delivery truck. In a breathtaking moment that could have ended in disaster, an Amtrak train came dangerously close to colliding with a delivery truck at a busy railroad crossing. The tension was palpable as the truck surged forward, seemingly unaware of the oncoming train, hurtling down the tracks at full speed. The screeching brakes, blaring horns, and narrow escapes stunned onlookers, highlighting the incident. Oh my god, a huge garbage truck, with a towering chassis and powerful engine, rumbled down a narrow road. Suddenly, disaster struck when it veered too close to a high-voltage power line. The metal body of the truck came into contact with the electrified wires, sending sparks flying through the air. A deafening explosion erupted as the tires, unable to withstand the shock, burst in a violent display of power. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, often referred to as the toy train, is an engineering marvel and a historical gem. Among its fascinating features is the iconic Z-inverted track, a unique track configuration that allows trains to travel up steep gradients in the Himalayan foothills. The highlight of this engineering feat is the #1 Z-inverted track, a stunning piece of historical engineering that showcases the ingenuity of railway design.
Сейчас прицеп на след попадет, потом пойдет. Еще метра полтора сюда. Давай. Стоп, назад. Иди, до того. Айда, тоқтама, Султан, сюда, айда.
Wow, a dramatic clash between the Scorpio and the bike, where the power of the engine clashes with the agility of the wheels. The iconic scene takes place on a busy road, as the Scorpio speeds through the turns, while the bike tries to avoid other vehicles. Both are moving at high speed, creating a tense, exciting moment. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano, with its molten lava flows, is a breathtaking sight to behold, captured through the lens of a GoPro Hero 2. This footage immerses viewers in the raw power of nature as molten lava flows across the landscape, lighting up the night sky. What? A New Holland tractor stuck in a pond is being pulled out by a powerful CAD JCB. The huge JCB tractor, with its incredible power, fights through the mud and water, slowly but surely lifting the tractor from the depths of the pond. With each strain of the JCB's hydraulic system and the tractor's wheels digging deeper into the soft soil, the struggle is fierce. During heavy rain, the John Deere 5310 tractor pulling a trailer could not control and plunged into the raging river. With the force of the flood, this mighty tractor was swept away, creating a dramatic scene. The torrential rain and strong currents made it impossible for the tractor to pulled steady and it was submerged in deep water. Imagine a battle between two very different machines. A powerful John Deere shovel and a humble 1992 Toyota Corolla. The John Deere, built to move mountains, stands tall with its powerful hydraulics, large bucket, and rugged design, ready to take on any heavy-duty task. This is a respected beast in the world of construction and mining. Imagine the sleek and powerful B-2 bomber soaring through the skies over Nellis Air Force Base. Its dark, stealthy silhouette cutting through the air with precision. As it takes off, the roar of its engines fills the air, a reminder of the immense power and advanced technology behind this remarkable aircraft. Experience the intense action of aerial combat in this thrilling military simulation game. Watch as fighter jets engage in high-speed attacks, only to be intercepted and shot down by advanced air defense systems. In this top 10 countdown, witness the incredible power of modern air defense technology, as it takes down some of the best pilots in heart-stopping maneuvers. A short circuit on a 110 kV high-voltage power line can cause a dramatic scene. When a powerful current suddenly encounters a fault, the power system will react quickly, creating bright sparks and loud explosions. This fault not only causes an interruption in the power supply but can also damage important equipment, threatening the stability of the entire system.
People who they think that they're helping. And then of course you have the 300 cars that are just waiting to fill a fucking...
The Ombine Derby, qualifier number 1 at the Wright County Fair, is an exhilarating showdown, where powerful machines collide in a battle of strength and skill. Imagine massive machines roaring across the arena, their engines screaming as they collide in a dusty, earthy spectacle. Hertefeld silos, a great construction, standing out in the vast space, is a symbol of strength and endurance in the agricultural industry. The soaring silo tower, climbing into the sky, containing turmeric starch, is also a story of the continuous development of agriculture. Each silo is an architectural product built with advanced techniques, ensuring all challenges of time and conditions are met. Troca Prado 2 inches is a legendary trail, where trucks and machines had to overcome the tough challenges of the mountainous terrain. The curves, steep slopes and rough roads cannot daunt the experienced drivers. They drive heavy trucks, carrying supporting wooden blocks, like solid warriors overcoming the challenge, while the morning light filters through the bamboo trees, creating a scene that is both wild and macro. Discover the power and durability of the Belarus MTZ-82 tractor. In hay transport, with its powerful engine and ability to overcome all terrains, this tractor delivers excellent performance in harvesting and moving grass for the farm. In 2021, the MTZ-82 has proven its superiority in optimal design and flexibility, making work faster and more efficient than ever. Imagine the intense challenge of trucks crossing massive floodwaters, where the water is fast flowing and the terrain is unpredictable. This is more than just driving, it is a test of skill, precision, and raw off-road power. Watch as experienced drivers navigate deep, fast-flowing water, using their expert off-road techniques to maintain control. Lowering a 1969 Charger is the thrill of transforming a classic muscle car into an iconic, low-slung, attention-grabbing beast. Imagine lowering the suspension, giving the car an aggressive stance that hugs the road, while the engine rumbles through the streets. An Iker 380 tractor gets stuck in a river, its powerful engine unable to get out of the deep, muddy water. In a moment of desperation, help arrives in the form of another Iker tractor, ready to lend its strength. With determination and teamwork, the two machines work together, their engines roaring as they pull and push against the force of the river. The Navy's close-in weapon system, CHOOS, locks onto the incoming aircraft with pinpoint accuracy, its radar scanning the sky for any threats. As the aircraft gets closer, the CIWS springs into action, tracking the target with relentless precision. Imagine you are a geologist, standing near the edge of an active volcano. The air is hot, and you can hear a rumbling sound echoing through the air. You see the red lava flowing rapidly, glowing like a giant stream of fire cutting through the ground. You are looking for one of the available geological models, which will help you get more material on related topic link issues. Thank you for joining us in this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.